Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of your photo in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my photo to this document. I'm going to go to the insert menu and then I'm going to select pictures and I'm going to insert picture from my device. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one guys, and I'm going to remove the background of this photo. Okay, if we want to remove the background, we can go to the remove background menu right here. And then you can select the mark areas to keep. Then you can mark it manually like this until you get what you want. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Like this guys. Okay, then you can also use the mark areas to remove to help you remove the unwanted area. Alright, I'm going to try this one as well. I'm going to remove it. Okay, like this. Alright, and once you're done, you can click on Keep Changes. Okay, and this is the final result. As you can see that the background of my photo has been removed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove background of our photo in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!